Learn English with Shahrukh Khan.
Perseverance is
Perseverance means continuing to try hard and not giving up, even when things are difficult or take a long time to achieve. It will be the example. She showed great perseverances by practicing every day until she learned how to ride a bike. And what is all about? It's about staying determined and not quitting even when facing challenges. Next is
I just with dogged determination.
dodge it. In simple terms, mean being very determined and not giving up easily, even when things are very tough. And what will be the example? He was dogged in trying to finish his homework even though it was hard. What it described? Someone who keeps doing no matter what. Next,
I rinse myself with a 2-hour bath.
rinse means to wash something quickly with clean water, usually to remove soap, dirt or chemical. And what will be the example? After washing your hair with shampoo, you need a rinse it with water, or I rinse myself with 2 hours bath. And what it involves? It involves using water to clean or remove something.
Sunday you're moping and
And what is the last word? Is moping. Moping means feeling bad, gloomy or down, showing it by moving around slowly or being withdrawn. And what will be the example? He spent the whole day moping after hearing a bad news. For these kind of videos, please do subscribe my channel over the YouTube and the Instagram, as I'm your interview coach Rehan.